Hello ma'am, good afternoon. My name is Mary Anando. I'm 36 years old. Uh, I'm single. I've been working in Saudi Arabia 5 years. 5 years. Then I come here in Hong Kong. I finished this April 1 already. I'm going down already. They have 5 members in family, 2 kids, and two a couple and one grandma. My main duties is household chores, cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, and the age of the baby is now I start in newborn the second baby, and the first baby is 2 years old. So after cleaning, I'm the one to bring the first baby to school, and after that pick up, then I make their food. Every morning I prepare the food myself, and the baby girl bring to school. Okay.